Hello everyone, I'm Rob Jacobs from Lexus of Atlantic City. I'd like to have you view one of our absolutely gorgeous 2016 GX 460s. This is an absolute marvelous SUV, has third row seating. It is one of our certified used vehicles, which is one of the best certification programs in the industry. Look it up for yourself. 2 years bumper to bumper warranty, balance of factory warranty, 4 services free. This vehicle is fully equipped, and when I say fully, I mean fully equipped. Heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, cooled seats, DVD, navigation, Mark Levinson stereo. This vehicle normally for 2019 would be priced at $57,714. We have lowered the price of this, and when I say lowered, I don't mean a couple dollars. I mean lowered this to $44,900. That is an absolute tremendous deal for this vehicle. We can help you with your financing. If you have credit issues, come in and see us. We can get you done. This is Rob Jacobs from Lexus of Atlantic City. Thank you.